Welcome to Taposhi Education Tutorial. In class 5 Math, those who are studying in CBSE and ICSE board, for this student, I represent a fraction. In this chapter, children will able to learn definition of fraction, classification of fraction, simple fraction, complex fraction, equivalent fraction, like and unlike fraction, and last, fundamental operation on fraction. Okay children, as you already know what a fraction is. When something is divided into equal part, each part is called a fraction of the whole. All the fraction taken together make the whole. So if I define a fraction is a part of a whole, like example, if a chocolate cake is divided into 4 equal parts, then each part is called 1/4 and is denoted as 1/4. Here 1/4 is a fraction. Children, I drawn a chocolate cake. It's too much delicious. Everyone like, right? So, in a fraction, x and y, where x and y are whole number, that means x not equal to 0, right? And x is called numerator and y is called denominator. Suppose example 5/8, 9/3 and 1/2. Here 5, 9, 1 are numerator and 8, 3 and 2 are denominator. Okay children? Now we discuss about the classification of fraction. Classification of fraction, in this portion, children, we discuss about the proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction, right? So what is the definition of the proper fraction, children? So proper fraction, a fraction whose numerator is like less than its denominator is known as a proper fraction. For example, 3/7, 17/19 and 11/13 are proper fraction. Here 7 less than 3, 19 less than 17 and 13 less than 11. That means denominator less than numerator. Okay children, now we discuss about the improper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to its denominator is known as improper fraction. Like example, 9/7, 11/8 and 17/13 are improper fraction, right? So in improper fraction, numerator always greater than denominator. That means 9 greater than 7. Here 11 greater than 8 and 17 greater than 30. Okay, so now we discuss about the mixed fraction. Children, in this part, the mixed fraction is a fraction which consists of a whole part or a number, and a proper fraction is known as mixed fraction. Like example, 2 whole 3/4, 3 whole 7/8 and 2 whole 17/19. So lot of the example are there here. Now a great or a very interesting formula I mentioned over here. Mixed fraction converted into improper fraction by using formula. Okay children, so we can write the mixed fraction is equal to whole part plus numerator divided by denominator. Okay, suppose 2 by 3 here, 2 whole 3 by 4 is a mixed fraction. It easily convert to improper fraction. How? Very easy. We write here 2 into 4 plus 3 divided by 4. That means 8 plus 3. That means 11 by 4, which is improper fraction. Right children? I think that you better understood these chapters, and next I will become in more. Okay children, you like and share with your friend and subscribe my channel. Another thing, don't forget to click the bell icon for more update. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.